What a wasted time. Should have been here on the outside, read the signs. Used to call you mine. Gave it my best, but I don't need one more try.
Balik na tayo ng hotel.
Cha đã chuẩn bị cho con 3 chiếc túi gấm gọi là ba cẩm nang. Trong đó có những điều cha đã nghiền ngẫm cả đời.
Balik
Chỉ
muna
cần
tayo
con
sa
một
villa.
làm đúng lời
And
ghi
then,
trong đó, cả đời con sẽ không bao giờ lo đói khổ. Áo cơm đầy đủ,
punta tayo na.
con cháo thịt,
Pero kape-kape muna tayo sa
thở
villa.
gấp, rồi
Before
nắm
tayo
chặt tay con
pumunta
dần
na
thêm. Khi cha mất,
ng
hãy mở
sunset
chi tiết nhất, làm đúng như lời cha.
Tomorrow, you have the spot at 6 p.m. That's okay.
Pupunta na tayo ng villa. Shala. Medyo mahangis at medyo ulan naman.
Baby, I'm all out of hope. Could I find it when I go? Think we're only here to stay alive now. Funny, we ran out of kicks. Now you only make me sick. Think we're only here to stay alive now. 'Cause I know what a waste, what a crime, what a fucked up time, and I should go. So I take what I can and I toss it in the car.
Yan, nandito na tayo guys. Shala. Clearance. Yan. We're now here. Shala. At iiwan ko na lang dito yung payong. Kasi mukhang wala namang nanakaw dito. Shala. Payong lang na nakawin. Nakabakan. Shala ka talaga. Ay, nakakaloka. Ba sinuot pa yung salamin ko? Meron pa tayong 30 minutes para mag-prepare. Ayan, ito pala yung nabili ko guys. Nasaan na ba yung ilaw? Ayan. Okay. School. Walang ilaw. Ba't kaya? Ba't di ko na lang yung ilaw? Ayun. Shell. Nagulat ako, bakit di nagsasara yung ilaw? Nakasara pala siya sa main switch. Shellac. Ayan, ito pala yung nabili ko guys. Shellac. Ayan. Ano siya? Leather. Hindi siya, ayan. Paglagay lang ng mga like, gusto ko ng maliit na bag na pwedeng paglagyan ng, diba? Pack na pack, leather. Mura lang to guys, as in. Kapresyo lang ng mga nabibili kong small bag dati sa Amerika. Pero dito, as in, tingnan nyo guys yung mukhang okay naman siya. Sana tumagal sa akin. Very, very cheap. Coffee. Bango talaga, no? Shellac. Hello? 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 I'm sorry? Sunset Cruise? Yeah. Are you able to pick me up at 221? Okay. Okay, thank you. Yan guys, kakatawag lang ng reception, on the way na daw yung sundo para sa Sunset Cruise. Shalak! Ayan, shalak. Sana dumating na kasi 5 o'clock yung ano. Waiting na lang ako. Ba't ko ba sinuot yung ano ko? Yung headset ko, baka hindi ko pa marinig kumatok to. Shalak. Nami. Ay, meron pa naman ganito. Ayan. Kaya mo tala. Sarap. Yung almonds ng guys yung kinain ko. Siyala. Hindi na ako makatulog mamaya nito. Kadalawang tasa na ako ng kape. Shalak. Yan guys, papunta tayo ng Sunset Cruise. Shalak. Finally natuloy din kasi kahapon pa ako. Pati kung walang din ngayon. Ito. Ay, nako. Yeah, welcome. Yeah. Oh, here?
Yeah.
Okay.
The ball
No.
behind the spot.
I see. Okay. Hindi ko alam na dito pala. Akala ko doon sa ano. Hindi pa nagsistart yung cruise guys. Pero kung malalasing na tayo, charis, joke lang yun. Wow. Mukhang madami-dami rin yung ano. Isang pangalan dito guys.
What a wasted time. Should have been here on the outside, read the signs. Used to call you mine. Gave it my best, but I don't need one more try. 'Cause baby, I'm all out of hope.
Okay naman guys yung ano. Ay, nakaano pala ako ngayon. Maski may damit sa loob. Kasi pagbalik ko dito guys, parang gininaw ako sa, anong tawag dito? Parang gininaw ako sa lamig, Sherlock. Ay, paano ba naman naka-19 yung ano? Naka-19 yung AC. Hinayaan ko naka-19 siya. Okay, kung inaantok ako. Inaantok ako bigla. Paano ba naman guys? Naka-19 yung ano. Ay, sinuot ko na lang to tapos tinasan ko yung aircon para medyo uminit-init dito guys. Shalak. Ayan. Ay. Tonight will be our last day over here. Tomorrow, magpa-fly na ako punta pa ako ng Thailand. We'll be watching the Miss Universe. Miss Universe! First time ko, guys. Of course. Pero hindi na siguro mauulit. Shalak. Just for the experience, guys. Shalak. O, diba? Ang ganda ng ano na to. Shalak. Sana ganito yung magiging ano ko. Ganito yung gusto kong parang ano, future na bahay. Charis! Diba? Ganda. Gusto ko maano lang, parang maliit na bahay lang, only for me. Pero ganito ka, ano, parang ka-relaxing. Maski hindi siya kamahalan, pero at least relaxing. Diba? Ay. Yun lang natin. Kanina pa. Ay. Talagang maano to, no? Sobrang ano niya, tamis niya guys, oh. Kasi nilanggam, buisit. Itong ano, itong tawag nito, sugar cane na ano, calamansi. Grabe. Nilanggam siya guys. Tapon ko na nga.
What a wasted time. Should have been here on the outside, read the signs. Used to call you mine. Gave it my best, but I don't need one more try. 'Cause, baby, I'm all out of hope. Could I find it when I go?
Ayan guys, kakaalis lang ng, you know what guys? Every night of your stay here will be so special. Yung mga housekeeping pupunta mismo dito para i-arrange yung bed mo into a like, i-prepare yung bed mo para sa pagtulog mo. O diba, bongga? Fairness. Okay, they even lit me. Oh my God. Lagyan pa nila ng note. Nilagyan nila ng water dyan din. OMG. Shalak. Ayan. Tapos, since alam nyo kagabi, nakita nila siguro, kasi nilagay ko lang dyan yung ano, yung parang may bahid na merong nag-bathtub ako kagabi. So, what they did tonight is they kasi umalis ako dito at dumating sila nang wala ako. Tapos ngayon, siguro akala nila magba-bathtub na naman ako, pero hindi ko feel mag-bathtub tonight. Naglagay sila ng flowers, naglagay sila ng parang herbal bath soak. Ayan. Yan. Sabi ang purpose is to relieve tension and everything. Pero wala naman. Siguro bukas na lang kung meron pa tayong time or dadalhin ko na lang yung mga flowers. Hindi, charis. O siya, sige na guys. I'm gonna go now for my spa time, which is complimentary. I don't have to pay for it. Punta na ako kasi 8 o'clock yung... Anong oras na ba? 8 o'clock ako nakaschedule for my spa time. 7:43 na guys. Ayan. Kung hindi umuulan ay... nasa na ba yung keycard or something? Kung hindi naman umuulan, lalakarin ko na lang. It's not raining. Or magdala na lang ako ng payong. Kasi napakalapit lang. Siguro mga 4 minutes walk. Or 3 minutes, 2 minutes walk from my accommodation. Or from my villa. So, let's go na. Shalak. Let's go na guys. Kasi i-check-in pa tayo. Shalak. Ayan. Ayan. Kasi mag-check-in pa tayo. Dara na. Ayan. Shalak. Ay. Ito na yung phone ko. Phone ko lang tsaka keycard ko yung dinala ko. Of course, pati itong camera ko, guys. Hindi na ako nagdala ng payong. Ay, baka umulan mamaya. Who knows? Pero may payong naman. May payong naman doon. So, that man. I'm gonna go na for a relaxing spa. Shalak, di nyo na ako makita. Ayan. Mga ilang villa lang yung lalampasan ko. Bago na, nandito na nandyan na yung spa. 'Di ba? Ang ano lang, ang lapit lang. Hindi tayo maabot ng 10 minutes. Mga 2 minutes lang. Hello. Ayan, babatiin ka talaga kapag makita ka ng mga tao dito, guys. Ay, gusto ko ng ganitong vibes or feel. Sana kung makabili ako ng bahay sa Pilipinas. Kung sa Pilipinas man ako magre-retire, sana medyo malawak yung tapos medyo madaming puno sa loob, may puno ng saging, ayun. Ayoko rin ng yung parang modern na bahay. So, yung ganito lang, pero may aircon naman, 'di ba? Good, nandito na tayo. Shalak. Sa Lumina Spa. Wow, ang ganda no. Ganda na. Pak. We're now here. Yan. Pak. Diba? Mga herbal. Shalak. Ito na naman tayo sa may sili, guys. Painumin na naman ako ng may sili daw. Hindi ko na to. Pero mas masarap. Nasanay na siguro yung dila. Ayan, naging naging parang kumintab yung mukha natin dahil sa nakaka-relax dito. Hi!
How are you today?
I'm good.
Today you will have 90 minutes wellness journey. I would like to ask, you want to focus on body or you want to focus on mind for your treatment today?
I did the body last night, so can you explain to me for the mind? It
Yeah.
might be a good
Yeah.
option for me.
Then we have two. If you feel tired and you want to release the tension, body tension, that's focus on body. But if you feel stressed and you want to relax the mental, like if you you're hard to sleep, yeah. So we focus on the mind.
My what? My heart? My
No, you hard to get sleep.
hard to get sleep. Oh.
Yeah.
Um,
And the difference between body and mind is the body, the technique is a little firm, like we use finger pressure and elbows. And the focus area will be neck, shoulder, and back. For the mind, the technique is softer and slow, more relaxing. Yes. And the focus area will be face, head, and neck.
face, head, and neck.
Yeah.
Oh. I'm trying to avoid the neck because when last night after the massage, like around 3 p.m. I woke up with a little bit of headache. I don't know if we can just avoid this area.
Yeah.
Um,
You want to avoid?
yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
Yes.
This
So
one
we will avoid that.
next for my massage. But let's see, healing. I just want the very like slow pace, like that.
Okay.
Not so much firm because I feel that last night it's a little bit firm, a little bit like hard for me. So I just want like slower
Yeah.
type of massage.
What kind of treatment? So we recommend for you the Vietnamese massage, like the whole body massage, and we use essential oil so the massage smooth. And I will tell the therapist to do slow, soft, avoid your neck area. In the Vietnamese massage, we will use the mudwort massage stick for we burn it and we give the smoke for smoking ritual. It's a little hard. Is that okay for you?
That's fine. I tried it last night.
Yeah, thank you. And we have two options with oil. This is the detox and the healing oil. Can you have us to choose? This is the detox.
Let me try that
The
detox.
detox
Yes.
help you to improve the circulation and detoxifying. And this is the healing.
I tried it last night. I think the healing is what I tried last night. But let's try the detox.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't like the smell of the ginger oil. But,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay, so we try the detox oil
Okay.
today.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank
Just
you.
a moment. And then what about the steam, the herbal steam with the hammam?
Hammam.
Yesterday you already did.
Yeah, I did already last night. But let's try the
I want to do the facial cleansing. I think
facial.
yesterday you do body scrub. Then you want to do the facial cleansing. That we
The
apply the
facial.
herb on your face and then we can do massage, exfoliation.
No, let's just try the body again. I'd like that, but this time exfoliation.
Exfoliation.
Yeah.
So relax. We will use mugwort leaf,
Yeah.
spirula leaf, mint powder for you.
Thank you. Hammam. Besh, yung hammam sa Arabic ay di ba toilet? Dito for relaxation and meron. So, mag-change na tayo guys. Shalak. Ayan. Saan na ba yung underwear? Of course. Siyempre, off camera. Nag-change din tayo ng bathrobe, guys. Ayan, di ba? Pakita ko sa inyo. Wow. Tapos, shower time. Ayan. Ayan, kakatapos tayo ng massage, guys.
Dạ nghe. Giờ em sang